How to recover the deleted Capcut project. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover the deleted Capcut project. Start by launching your Capcut, and after opening your Capcut you will be seeing an interface like this. Now when you try to open any of the project that you have created, you will see that video or photo is deleted or moved in your device, so it won't be opened. So just go back. Now if you want to recover it, how you can do that is go on your gallery or Google Photos that you already have, and you need to restore the photos and videos that you have deleted. Only after doing that will the Capcut be updated and it will show you the videos and it will be recovered. So if you don't have the photos or videos on your device, then the Capcut videos, the new project that you have added, won't be recovered. To make it recover, you need to go on the gallery or Google Photos and restore the photos or videos that you have deleted and added on the Capcut to make a new project. So I hope you understood and liked the video. If you liked the video and it helped you, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.